Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a slime shop business. My name is Mary and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your slime shop business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Slime is a hugely popular trend right now, and you may be wondering how to profit from it. It's a simple process with only a few basic ingredients. You can sell slime online or in person, such as at school or to your friends, or you can do both. Prepare to put in a lot of time to make, package, and ship or deliver all of the slime orders, as well as promote your product. 1. Provide a variety of slimes. Offer a variety of slime colors, scents, and textures to attract the most customers. You can create variations of the same recipe or select a few different recipes to work from. For example, you could make kinetic slime as well as glow-in-the-dark slime. 2. Select your slime recipes. Slime can be made with a variety of ingredients to produce a variety of textures and effects. Some recipes are simple, requiring only cornstarch and glue, while others are more complex, requiring fragrances, colors, or glitter. Slimes can be made in a variety of ways, including slime with a rainbow of colors, slime from Nickelodeon, slime with glitter. 3. Purchase your ingredients in large quantities. It is less expensive to buy ingredients in bulk if you intend to make large batches of slime. For example, rather than buying a single bottle of glue, buy a gallon. You might also want to use a few pounds of cornstarch instead of a small container. To find the best prices, look online and in local stores. 4. Select slime containers. To attract customers, choose cool slime containers. Jars, deli containers, small Tupperware tubs, condiment containers, plastic eggs, or even plastic zipper bags with lids could all be used. Choose containers that are large enough to hold the amount of slime you want to sell, such as 2 ounces or 6 ounces. Keep in mind that if you intend to ship the slime, choose containers that are easy to ship, such as light, square packages that will fit in a small box. 5. Purchase packaging in bulk. Once you've decided on the best container for your product, buy in bulk to save money. Look for the best packaging deals online and in local stores. If you intend to ship the slime, buy shipping supplies in bulk, such as boxes, labels, and tape. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a slime shop business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.